In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GOG installation error E4, especially when GOG Galaxy says it was unable to create a folder or save downloaded files. This usually points to a permissions issue, and in many cases, your antivirus or firewall is blocking the installer from writing files correctly. So if you've been stuck on this error, don't worry. We'll walk through the fix step by step, and if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, let's understand what's happening. The E4 error usually appears when GOG Galaxy cannot create the folders it needs or cannot save the files it has downloaded. That means the app is being prevented from making changes on your computer. The most common causes are restricted permissions, antivirus interference, or firewall protection blocking access. So the first thing you want to do is open your antivirus software and check its exception or trusted list. You need to add the GOG Galaxy installation folder so your security software knows not to interfere with it. The path you need to add is c:/program files, x86/GOG Galaxy. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears. If your antivirus has separate sections for exclusions, trusted files, or allowed apps, add this folder to each relevant exception area. This helps prevent the antivirus from locking files while GOG Galaxy tries to install or update games. Next, open your firewall settings and do the same thing there. Add the same GOG Galaxy folder to your firewall, trusted, or exception list. In some cases, the firewall may stop the launcher from creating folders or downloading game files properly, so this step is important. Once you've added the folder to both your antivirus and firewall exceptions, save the changes. After that, close GOG Galaxy completely. Don't just minimize it, make sure it is fully shut down. Then restart GOG Galaxy so it can reload with the new permissions and security exceptions in place. This restart is important because the app often won't recognize the changes until it launches again. When GOG Galaxy opens back up, try the installation or download one more time. In many cases, the E4 error disappears immediately after the folder is trusted and the program is restarted. If the issue still appears, double-check that the full path was added correctly and that your antivirus did not automatically remove the exception. Also make sure GOG Galaxy is running with the proper permissions on your computer. The goal here is to let the app create folders and save files without being blocked by Windows security tools. So to recap, fix error E4 by checking for permission problems, adding c:/program files, x86/GOG Galaxy to your antivirus and firewall exception lists, and then restarting GOG Galaxy afterward. That's the key sequence that solves this issue for most users. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.